is Jennifer Archibald, and I am the Chief Financial Officer of Cardium Pharma Corp. So I have to say right now, I have 3 young children, and they're my passion right now. And they take up most of my time outside of work. I certainly had a lot of passions before kids. Whatever their activities are, they have now become my passion. It doesn't matter how big or small you are, you can always have big dreams. And for us, we're a very small pharmaceutical company in a very big space with very large, other competitors and players. But that doesn't mean that that you can't have big dreams and to get to where you want to get to. I think the first step, well, there are many steps, many steps, but maybe 2 things. One is you never underestimate hard work, and second is that ambition is limitless. So keep that in mind, and you'll get there.